Welcome everybody to the Aidex Aid Innovation Challenge, a competition to encourage creative, unconventional thinking.
And I'm very honoured to be invited in to sit down here with the other guys to look through the inventions as they're presented to us.
I've come here to ask for a grant for my product, the MedAlert. It's a scheduler and dispenser for antiretroviral medication, which is for HIV patients. Now, this medication is only effective if it's taken to a strict schedule. At dosage time, this interior section is compressed, which dispenses the drugs, breaks the circuit and resets the timer.
And just talk us through the materials that it's made out of and the manufacturing process.
The parts would be polycarbonate, which is a especially hard material.
That's a lot of plastic and polycarbon to be thrown away. But I just wonder if there's a way it could be made out of recyclable materials.
Yeah, it can be made a lot. You can get recycled polycarbonate pellets.
My name's David Hutton, and this is my prototype flexi pipe pump. It's a simple, reliable, and low-cost water pump. It only has two moving parts. Water is brought to the surface with a hose.
I'm looking at the equipment. I like the way it works, but isn't it rather fragile?
At the moment, this is a prototype, so the actual pump won't look the same. It won't have these flanges. It'll actually be made and it'll have screw caps.
We are from Leaf Supply. What we developed is a bed, but it's totally made out of cardboard. It can take over 400 kilos, so it's very resistant.
It's also about isolation from the cold. It's many factors.
Well, thank you very much, and what an intriguing idea. I can imagine this being used in Haiti, say, in the tent camps there, but big problem. When the rains come, very wet.
Yeah, sure. That's a big point. Actually, the bed can face a very high humidity rate in the air, so up to 90%.
Our new product, which is called a Survivor Still. Survivor Still is an independent, ready-to-use, multi-terrain solar still. And this is what one looks like when it's all packed up.
The way that it works is you would put your contaminated water source into the heat-absorbing black bag. The rays from the sun would then heat that water source up. That evaporates, and condensation from that water vapour forms on the outer skin of the unit, and it collects in the freshwater reservoir at the base there.
It can produce up to 2 litres of water per day.
A winner for the individual category, Louise Barrie.
It's great, not just the monetary support, I got £2,500, but also just the support from individuals.
We felt it would be appropriate to present this award to this company today. I know who it is, it's Leaf. Well done.
We're very happy to win the award. That's a good recognition from people from the industry, and all the steps of the competition were very interesting.
The aid community has sort of struggled to take on modern technologies, and the thrust, I think, of Aidex is to try and get some of that sort of space race atmosphere going on and drag some of these rather remarkable inventions across over into the aid world, because it desperately needs it. It desperately needs that sort of technology. It needs NASA technology, it needs military technology. And this is an attempt, it's the first attempt, I think, doing pretty well so far, because there's lots of innovation that I'm seeing that I haven't seen in aid before.